Hi! In front of me is tablet DELL RUGGED 7220 Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Firstly, you need to open two of your apps in pop-up view. In order to do that, open both of them and click on this icon at the top right corner of two squares. When you have them both open as floating windows, hold the first one, drag it all the way up, and then place it in this rectangle on the right or on the left. Then you can click on the second app right away or just drag it to the second rectangle. As you can see, after that, I can use both of my apps in split screen view. In order to go back, just close them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!